How to remove the add to cart button in Shopify Dawn theme. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to remove these add to cart buttons over here for your different products. So removing or hiding it is actually very simple. Simply navigate to that specific part which is for buy buttons, which is this one over here. So assuming that you don't have a checkout or you don't want the checkout option or add to cart option over here, it means that this product does not it's currently unavailable and you don't want them to show that. You don't want that to appear. So you could easily just hide it over here. Where is it? There we go. You can just simply hide it. You don't need to delete it, but you could easily hide it just like that. Now, you don't want this to occur on all of your products, of course. I assume that you guys want it for certain products only. So what we could do here is we could create a template instead. So over here, no checkout, create template, and now we have a checkout template over here that does not have a checkout. So we could open this one again and we could return the normal one over here, the default, and let's return the buy now over here, and let's save it, and let's go back to exit. Now what our product looked like over here, if you click on our product, we could now select the specific theme for this template. So for this one, I want to have the checkout, but let's create another product over here that does not have a checkout. So let's do picture of a cat, and then we could upload a photo over here. Here we go. And then we could select the theme template for the no checkout over here. Let's wait for this to finish. And then simply save it. After that, there we go. Now, if we view our website, let's actually preview it. So we can show you the difference between the two products over here. So let's wait for this one to appear. Click on this, click on preview. And over here, we have picture of our cat and picture of the pug. So for the pug over here, we have the add to cart options over here, the buy now. But for our cat, over here, it does not have that checkout or buy now button over here. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.